A major judicial intervention has shaken the Uttar Pradesh police establishment. A Shambhal district court has ordered the registration of a criminal case against 12 police personnel, including senior officers, for their alleged role in a shooting incident during violence near the historic Shahi Jama Masjid in November 2024. Those named include Anuj Chowdhury, the then Circle Officer of Sambhal and currently Additional SP Rural in Firozabad, and Anuj Tomar, the then Station House Officer of Sambhal Kotwali Chandausi. The court has also directed FIRs against unidentified police personnel involved in the firing. The order was passed by Chief Judicial Magistrate Vibhanshu Sudhir on a petition filed by Yamin, a resident of Shambhal. According to the petition, Yamin's son Alam was shot on November 24th of 2024 during unrest near the mosque. Alam had reportedly stepped out to sell biscuits and rusk when he was caught in the violence and suffered a bullet injury. The family claims fear forced them into silence, and the injured youth underwent treatment while in hiding before approaching the court. The Sambhal violence claimed the lives of at least 5 Muslims, with families alleging they were killed in police firing. The violence erupted during the court-ordered survey of the Shahi Jama Masjid conducted after a civil suit claimed the mosque was originally a temple. Civil rights group APCR welcomed the court's order, calling it a crucial step towards accountability. Now, a critical question remains. Will justice finally follow police firing?